Alright, so in today's video we're going to add the request a meeting for our project and we have the contact us also. So in here when they click into the request meeting, we will have a kind of the calendar going to pop up. So we will start right now by create an event. Okay, so we can create event type. So we will have kind of one-on-one in here, and event name going to be get hold. Okay, so the durations maybe 15 minutes. Locations going to be maybe Google Meet. Yeah, we have a Google Meet. Continue. So you guys can go into the calendly in here, and here you guys can see is that the free time that we are currently have. So it will schedule a meeting the weekday from 9 a.m. Uh, to 5 p.m. So because that I currently is have not busy in the moment, so the time is automated just adapt into my calendar when you guys log in with the email, and this because of that they will choose automatically by the way they want, and the calendar will sort out every customer that's in the time slot. For example, if one customer already select the time slot from 9 to 9:30, right? So all the customer cannot choose this one anymore. Okay, that's it. That's very simple. And we can have like booking page. Say we don't need this communications. Email remind. They have calendar invitations, and the email remind maybe we can turn this on, but we need to update into standard. So this way we don't need. We just need to the calendar invitations. So say and close and done, and they will create for us like this one. So people will select, right? They will select for this, and we will good to go. So in the sense that we can share like this one, we share in here, and we copy the link, right? And then we go to our code. It's in the work. Okay, and we attach into our call to action label in here. So not this here, and it is in our workspace, right? And in here, so you guys need to ask one more thing, that you guys need to have a target blank that is will go into different page, right? Okay, so let's check in this. When we click, yeah, let me demo. Okay, so we can choose in here the name, the hour, 8:30, and then we hit next, and the customer can type their name. For example, in my case that we have Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, and we can have an email. In the sense I just use my same email, and please share thing. That's okay. I want to build a house. That's, I mean, that's good enough. And then you guys can schedule an event, and yep, your has been scheduled and collaboration already sent into your email address. Okay, so we can head that into our Gmail to see we have anything new. Alright, we already have a notification for our Mr. Beast that he want to build a house. That's really cool. So for this one, that imagine that you are a client for the internet agencies that you have the quote, and in the 10:30 on a Thursday you just go there and join. And one more thing that like you can check on your calendar here. So let's make sure that it's automate add into inside your calendar to see um, where are we going to see the guy. Is it 25? Let me check. Yep, it's 25. So we can go into 25. uh, 25 here. Okay, so we have Mr. Beast. We have Mr. Beast at the 10:30 a.m. Schedule in here. That is already automate that he want to build a house, and in that time you guys can go to this link and to join with the Google Meet. Very simple, and I think that is the one that we need for our functionality, that's to schedule an event. And the next thing that we also go into add, that we go into add inside our contact us. And yeah, let's do that. Okay, so you guys can go into our, just copy this one, and you guys go into our header and contact us here. You guys add in the link outside like this link, and we have the ref in here and button inside the ref that they need. Okay, something wrong, right? Oh, okay, here. Okay, we have button exactly the same ref from our ones, and we also, you guys remember, had the target blank in here. Okay, let's check one more time. Yep, here, right? I think it's work. We can schedule a different one next. Yep, chương cheating. Yep, we want to have, I want to build a garden. Okay, schedule Monday, April. Okay, let's check. Okay, so now we already have schedule, and now we need to check one more time into our calendar. First, checking the notifications for the email. Refresh. Let's check in for sure. Here we have a new event, and then we can go into our calendar to see in the Monday. Here we have in the Monday. No, I want Monday, guys. Here we have a Tuesday. Sorry, we have Tuesday. That we have a guy want to build a garden. That's cool, very cool. And yep, I think that's it for today's video. Very simple, and I think also that this one already been finished for every functions that we need, exactly, because we already have the CMS for this one, and we already also deployments already, and we already have we have everything already in place for this tutorial. And the contact us it for schedule things, as is very simple and fast forward to solve the problem. We don't need to make too complicated. Yep, I think today's this video is good enough for you guys to able to see that how the workflow to request a meeting that's already been able to work for the third-party service. Very simple, huh? Alright, so I think in this set we can wrap up this video today, and I hope that you guys will able to build this beautiful prototype for put in your portfolio or your future client that want to provide the sanities and the type of the website like this one. And I think this type of the website is very neat for the type of agencies that go for the furniture, architecture, and interior, and the type of the website that you guys can deliver it also fast and simple one, but the quality is very unique, and you guys can change the data all very easy with sanity, and also with the schedule from your calendly, right? So I think in the sense, if you guys found this content helpful for you guys, just hit the subscribe buttons, hit the notifications, and leave a comment below for me to able to keep produce the good content for you guys based on what you guys need. All right, okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the series, and see you guys in the next episode. Thank you guys for your time. Bye.